Hi. Today, we will see how to send alerts from TradingView to a Telegram channel. The alerts could be from a TradingView strategy or an indicator. First, we will see all the things we need to do in TradingView. Let's see an indicator code. Here we have an indicator function called Telegram Alerts. When a candle's close is above its open value, that means the candle is green in color, then we will fire a buy alert. Similarly, when the candle close is below its open value, that means the candle is red in color, then we will fire a sell alert. Now, let's see the things we need to do on Telegram. Open your Telegram account. I'm accessing Telegram from the web, you may do it from the mobile app as well. Click this pencil button. Select the new channel option. In this search field, type botfather. Select this one with thousands of monthly users. Click this arrow to go ahead. Give a name to your channel. Click this arrow to go ahead. Now your channel is ready. Search botfather here, click and open it. Here, click the start button. The botfather has started. Here you can see various commands that you can use inside this bot. Type /new bot command and click enter. Then type a name for your bot. I have given the name it.wala bot. Now it is asking to give a username to the bot. I have given the username my it.wala_bot. The username must end with bot word, remember this. Copy and paste this name somewhere in a text file. Now my bot is ready. In this message, here's my API token for my bot. Copy and paste this API token somewhere in a text file. Now, the next step is that we need to add our bot to our channel as an administrator. For that, click these three dots here. Click Edit. In this window, scroll down and select the Administrators option. Now, click this Add icon. In this search box, type the username of your bot. Then click it. Here, uncheck all the permissions except the Post Messages permission. And click the tick button. Now my bot has been added to my channel. Now search botfather here. Click this one with many users. Here, uncheck all the permissions except the Post Messages permission. And click the tick button. Now, botfather has been added to my channel. OK. Type hi into your channel. Click the forward button and forward this message to the botfather. This step is necessary to generate the ID of our channel. Now, let's find out the ID of our channel. If your channel is public, then the ID is simply at whatever the username is. But if your channel is private, then we need to follow some procedure to extract the channel ID. So the first step is, you need this URL. Here, in the bot name field, paste the API token of your channel. So the URL will look like this now. Now copy and open this URL in a web browser. You will see such a message. This is the ID of your channel. It will be preceded by a minus sign. OK. Now we have everything that we need to send a test message to our Telegram channel. Now this is an important URL. In the bot API key field, write down the API token of your channel. In the my channel name field, write down the ID of your channel. And in this my message text field, write down a message that you want to send on your channel. Write a single word message. The URL will look like this. I'm sending the hey message. Now copy the URL and open it in a web browser. If you see such a message, that means the process has worked correctly. Go to your Telegram channel. You will see the "Hey" message here. So we have successfully sent a message to our Telegram channel. So our channel is fully ready now. Now we need a middleware that will catch the alerts from TradingView and send them to our Telegram channel. We will use Zapier as the middleware. Create an account on the Zapier website. Go to the home page. Click the Zap button here. Click here and give a name to your Zap. Now, click the Trigger button. In this window, select the Webhooks option. Such a window will appear. Now, click the Choose an Event option here. Select the Catch Raw Hook option. Now, click Continue. It will provide us with a webhook URL. Copy this URL somewhere. We will need this webhook URL in our TradingView alerts. Now, click the Test Trigger button. Click Skip Test. Click Continue. Here, click the Telegram option. If you don't find it here in this list, then search for it here. Such a window will open. Now, click the Choose an Event option. Select the Send Message option. Now, we need to connect our Telegram channel here. For that, click this Sign In button. Such a window will open. Here, paste your channel API token and click Yes, Continue to Telegram. Now we are back to this window. Click Continue. Now, in this Chat ID option, click the three-dot button. Click the Custom option. In this window, paste the ID of your channel. And click this blue-colored Use link. Now my channel ID has been entered in this field. Click here now. And select the plain text option. Now, in this message text part, click the plus icon. Here, select the Raw Body option. Close this window. Click the Continue button. Now, in this window, type text. And click the Test Step button. Go to your Telegram channel. Here you will see that a test message, "Hello World," has been sent to our channel. Go to the Zapier page again. And click the Publish button. Our Zap has been published now. Click Go to Home. The Zapier part is done now. The last part is configuring an alert in our TradingView indicator. Open that indicator and add it to the chart. Click the More button. Select the first option. In this window, keep all these things as they are. Set the expiry date that you want. Set an alert name that you want. Now, go to the Notifications part. Here, select where you want the alert to be shown. Go to the webhook URL option. And paste the webhook URL that we got from Zapier. Click Create. Click this alert icon here. Our alert is listed. Now just wait for an alert to trigger. If a green bar comes, we will get a buy alert. If a red bar comes, we will get a sell alert. See, we got a buy alert because the current bar is green. Go to the Telegram channel and see, the buy alert is here. See, we got a sell alert because the current bar is red. Go to the Telegram channel and see, the sell alert is here. So, finally, we have sent our alerts from TradingView to our Telegram channel. Thanks for watching.